Sitting in a chair for prolonged periods of time can definitely cause low back pain or worsen an existing back problem. The main reason behind this is that sitting in a chair is a static posture that increases stress in the back, shoulders, arms, and legs, and in particular can add large amounts of pressure to the back muscles and spinal discs. Lots of sitting can start a cascade of events in the core and legs that results in several problems. When sitting for an extended period, the hip flexors are in their shortened position, which can prevent the glutes from firing, making them weak and will cause the hamstrings to overwork. This results in anterior pelvic tilt, which is an excessive tilt of the pelvis. Anterior pelvic tilt can cause the abs to become underused and weak, which will make the pelvis tilt even more, making the sitter look like they have a bigger stomach than they actually do. Initially, when I started work from home, continuously sitting in normal chair for long hours, I felt uncomfortable. I felt stress on my back. Now, today I would like to share here how I have fixed the issue without going for expensive ergonomic executive chairs. I did some research on the online shopping websites to find the best ergonomic solution to correct my sitting posture, and within 1000 rupees, I have found a solution which worked well for me. I hope it may find helpful for at least some of you. This is a back support cushion which I found in Amazon. It costs about rupees 349, and it's a made in India product. I found a lot of positive reviews. Almost 60% of the people had given positive reviews, so I decided to go for it. This back support cushion gives your back a little extra support, which helps relieve stress on your back. The back support helps promote good posture by simply filling in the gap between the spine and the chair, and it supports the natural inward curve of the lower back. The elastic strap secures backrest in place. The breathable mesh allows airflow for cool and keep your back cool with a constant ventilation. The cushion is made of elastic, steelware frame and nylon nuts which help massage your back. And this can be used for car seats also. If you are going for long drive, it helps a lot. It can support your back while driving. I also purchased this cushion along with the back support that you can see in my video, and it costs about 590 rupees, and I think it is from the same brand of the back support, and it also has good reviews. Almost more than 60 percentage reviews are there, and it is not mandatory that this cushion is needed, but it gives you an executive look. And you can fit this back support on a normal plastic chair as well. That's it, and I think this is the cheapest solution and it will be helpful for you. Thank you.